All right, so what's up, everybody? This is gonna be a weird break. I'm not breaking cards. However, I did find this at a thrift shop. It's a 23, 24-year-old tin can of Crayola, 1903 to 1993, sealed. And you know what? This will be the last thing I'm ever gonna do besides cards, okay? But I looked in the comps on eBay for this, 10, 20 bucks. Got this for $5, and it's an L. I thought I was gonna be able to make a profit off of it. The ones that went for 10 bucks, 15 bucks were way more nicer. Well, it's still sealed though, but let's just open this up. And we'll see. Now it's officially unsealed. The box is really, really nice. You know what? If anything, I'm going to use the box to hold some of my cards. The box is really in great condition. This is beautiful. So it's a 23-year-old card box. The crayons are probably melted. Okay. All right. I could smell the aroma of crayons. A 23-year-old pack of crayons. 23 years old. Oh, actually older. 1990. Look at the little sharpener. Huh. A little dinger right there. But this is pretty cool. I don't think I'm going to open up the actual. You know, might as well, right? I don't know. I think this is pretty cool, actually. I think actually this is pretty cool, and I think I'm probably going to save this for myself. But this is pretty cool right here. 1993-year-old pack of crayons, and this is pretty fire. This is going to be a display for sure, 100%. I'm not going to sell this. This is for my personal collection. I thought this is super dope. So, yeah. Follow and like.